making korvapuusti, and first we are going to tell you a little bit about korvapuustis history.
In Finland, since 90s, korvapuusti became more popular after World War II. Korvapuusti came from Germany and Sweden. Other Germany desserts are ginger cookies and monks.
These are the ginger cookies, if you don't know what I mean. And these are the monks. So first we are
Going to show you
how to make korvapuusti.
Yes.
Let's begin.
After we have melt the butter, we put the milk here. This thing in Finland is called hiiva, and it's gonna raise this dough up, and now we put this whole thing in there, here. And then we're gonna mix these together.
Now we poured the mixture in the cup, and after
Then I put this egg in there. Then I put salt here.
sugar, and then we put the salt.
Then we are going to put this flour in this mixer, and this is gluten-free flour.
Now we're going to put cardamom. This is very popular Finnish spice.
And it brings good taste. It should be covered when it rains.
Now we wait. At the same time, when the dough is rising, we are going to do the filling
What we are going to put
inside of the buns. We had a little bit pause because our cinnamon were over. This is kaneli in Finnish.
So I went to our neighbor and asked this.
Yes. And now we are
Putting on this butter and cinnamon and sugar. Then I put here this butter. And cinnamon and sugar. Then we put this filling on top the dough. I'm going to roll this dough very tight.
Now we are going to cut this dough into square-shaped sections. Now we're going to press this middle thing down with our thumb.
It should look like this.
It's not supposed to look like this. This is very hard to make because these are gluten-free. Now we are going to grease these things with whipped egg. There is one egg, and you have to have like this. And you just now we put this sugar. These are a little bit bigger. And we put them on top of the buns.
We put this cinnamon buns into the oven.